Guys, I'm Jenny. Last night we got two important news about FOMC and the federal funds rate new released last night, and I want to make a short video to review with you guys about what we have after the news was released. Okay. The final interest rates are expected to be 5 to 5.25 in the first quarter of the 2023. So interest rates are expected to increase by 0.5% at the beginning of February and increase by 0.25 by the end of March, higher than expected in the September level. 4.5 to 4.75. With this news that will support the USD recovery, non-USD assets will weaken, and the market may fluctuate strongly when the Fed president holds a press conference before the market moves to the static according to the news that the USD is supposed to be recovered. Interest rates are higher, GDP is lower, inflation is rising, unemployment is rising. In 2024, interest rates are expected to lower, but lower than September's minus. Overall, the Feds are expecting a mid-recession. In 2023, the interest rate metric chart saw a split among the FOMC members on interest rates in 2024 and 2025, but all in the direction of moving higher than the September minus. So, in conclusion, USD will have recovery, and the non-assets USD will be weakened. Okay. Some in the next part of the video, I will have some reviews with you guys about gold and maybe some other currency pairs. Okay, now looking at the daily chart. As the last video, I still remain my sell view to 1745, and yesterday I have some short position at the 18, 13 and 18.04. In the early morning today, I did send signal to my group to have new entry at 1806. And we still hold sell trades from the 1823. Yes, for today I did expect I expect the first take profit point is the 1792, and for the sell trades at the 1823, I did ask people to remove the take profit level, because I maybe when it go down to the 1745, I will ask them to close some volume. The reason why I have sell trades at this area, I did explain in the last video. You can see the area is around this 1813 to the 1820. It is the last supply area here. It is the last supply area here. You see the last supply area, and it's also a very strong resistance. Very strong resistance here. That's why I did ask people to have some trades and keep holding. Also, for the setup of Fibonacci retracement, it is the second sell zone around the 288. Therefore, we confidently hold sell trades until this moment. For the as a TP, I already shared my strategy publicly. If you can see on my Facebook, you can find me on the Facebook with the Facebook name at Jenny Lee. Here I just share in the morning. So 1806 and 1811, stop loss at the 1816 and TP at the 1798 and 1792 to the 1745. In my signal group, we still sell from last night. We still sell from last night. Here with some order at 1811, 1813, and before that we did sell at the 1804 and 1808 with the TP at the 1796 and 1792, and we still keep a whole shelf from 1823. That is my strategy for the group. In the early morning today, I also send signal to the group to sell U.S. oil, because looking at the H4 with a setup of Fibonacci retracement is also in the first area for sell. Is around the 188. You can see here is the route 77. You can see, and looking at the price history in your left screen, you can easily find a supply area here, so we can confidently to enter the sell trades. The TP for this signal I just put is at 75 and 74, because with US oil, with one price of US oil is the same as the 10 price of gold. Therefore, if you trade this pair and your capital is just small, then you shouldn't take risks to trade this pair, and you can trade gold. And if your capital allows, you should use a volume with which is just same as 0.2 times of the volume to trade gold. You understand? So, the volume I will write it here if you cannot understand. Your volume to trade US oil should be 1.2 time of volume to trade gold. Okay. The TP for these trades, you can expect it go down to this area, 75 and 74. With the stop loss, it's just about here. I did ask people to put the stop loss around 78.2. Okay, I think the video today is long enough, so I will stop here. Hopefully, it will give you some valuable information. If you want to join my signal group to have more signal and get updates constantly, you can send me a message directly. Bye bye.